My name is Queen Julie Endee, and I'm from the Republic of Liberia. I'm the Commissioner General for EXPO 2027 Belgrade. My participation of my country in the Expo means a lot to me. It's about connecting the world together, bringing the world together as a global village, and looking at those ills in society that bring us and unite us, but using a medium that is so important, which is music and sports. Because for me, music and sports is a unifying tool that brings people together to dialogue, to discuss, to negotiate. And so I'm very grateful to be a part of this expo in Belgrade. I already feel at home. It's a home away from home. The people are exceptional, and I understand that. And one of the things that really touched my mind is gender equality, where the women were speaking and the men were speaking at the same time, but together they are stronger. So we look forward to a better expo where we will connect, where we lift our lives and our voices, where we will play, but at the same thing we believe that imagination and creativity equals innovation. So we are going to bring the word to Belgrade, but at the same time we're going to expand to the world, to unite the world through music and sports.
What an amazing answer. I have one more question for you.
Okay.
What message would you like to convey to Belgrade and to Serbia?
I want to say to Belgrade, the Serbia and the Serbians, that I enjoy your country for the first time that I arrived here. I love the people. They are very hospitable, and I look forward to you listening to the music of the word. I want you to listen to the sports, but not just listening, it's connecting minds, connecting people, and it's connecting our soul to do better for our communities and our villages and our towns. The experience that we get here, let peace ring into the word. Everyone within the word, may we talk peace, may we think peace, may we build peace, love one another, and make the world a better place.